Welcome. In this quick and updated guide, I'll show you how to enable the temporary membership option in your Discord server. This feature is great if you want people to join your community for a limited time without keeping them as permanent members. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your device. You can follow the same steps whether you're using a phone, tablet, or desktop. It works nearly the same way everywhere. Now, head over to the server where you want to activate temporary membership. When you're inside your server, look at the top of your screen and tap the server's name. This will open a small menu with several options related to your server settings. From here, tap on Invite. This is the menu you normally use to invite new members to join your community. Once you're inside the Invite menu, look for the option that says Edit Invite Link. Go ahead and tap on that. This brings you to the customization page for your server's invite link. Here, you can adjust how long the invite link stays active, how many times it can be used, and most importantly, turn on the temporary membership option. Now, simply toggle on temporary membership. When this feature is enabled, anyone who joins your server through that invite link will automatically lose access once they leave, unless you manually assign them a permanent role. It's perfect for testing new members, hosting time-limited events, or managing pop-up communities without cluttering your member list. Once you've turned it on, don't forget to tap Save. That's all it takes to apply the new settings.